It's an honor for us to be a part of Mary's Gift and participate in a very small way.
Michael Breen on Charhanacht Gailver Canach Mary's Gift ag bronnadh 5,000 pont Choláiste Feirste. Buniu in Charhanacht sé bliain ó chaine Mheireachta chun airgid a thiomsú don Ghaeilgeachas ó Thuaidh.
Mary's Gift is named in honor of my grandmother, Mary Clifford, she emigrated to the United States when she was 16. I guess the foundation started in 2009, and I think like everybody else, we were impressed with the growth. The fact that the Irish language is flourishing here in the North, that it's having a transformational effect for many children, for many communities. That particular aspect is missing, in a lot of the average Irish American's knowledge. Our most successful events was just last fall. We called it Gael Golf. We had a golf outing, a fundraiser golf outing back in New Jersey. We had close to 100 golfers come out that day. We had the Consul General of Ireland, the president of the statewide president of the New Jersey Ancient Order of Hibernians.
I could not come to school without the honor.
Tá an scoil seo freigrach as muinniú an onéid ar íhéan agus mar sin de tá sin iontach trom ar wadget agus ar fácaí na scola. Ní hé amháin takeíocht airgeadais nó takeíocht muinnithe tá díoláin. Nuair is gadat a bheith ag tuairt faoi riachtanas Isagula nó riachtanas Olaman an altaí is gadat aisina a chruthú agus a bheith ar fáil chun takeú leis na daltaí.
Days that I am not feeling great or need help with my work, I can come to the unit and without fail there's someone here to help me.
And spricatag Mary's Gift na airgid a hógal sa stadaíontithe agus é srúthúis deachanéaran. Siad an bhfuil sé stúrthóir an sa stadaíontithe agus daine amháin an seo mé híon. Agus bíonn siad am factaíocht saocht agus tógáil airgid. Fá láthair tá 5,000 agus 60 dalta ag Choláiste Feirste ar saoú a tógadh de 300. Anois, tá inéisteach fáilte agin 9.8 milliún le chur an saoú sin, tá sin fáilte an rinneideitheis, ach sin ráite tuaireann sin muid suas go dtí spás de 600, so níl mór an spás le fás mar deir siad. Ach ag gnám céanna tá gantanas milteanach an ó híomh éisina den Ghaeilgeachas ach go háirithe ar level man scoileachta. Agus níl an gantanas sin a líonú ag an start fel láthair, so mar hapla tá Choláiste Feirste reachtal tá muid a bhag nó mhór thar ag an pointse seo a chatar leibhéilín pont. So is airgid mhóra tá gceistin sin agus léiríonn sin in na constachtaí atá roiín ó thaobh airgide agus má tá muid go solathair ceartachar ar fáil den na daltaí tá tuileadh airgid í chrainn.